Peace.
Hello guys, T-Boy13 back here with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys an app that you can download. It's an alternative app for Tweakbox. So yeah, let's get into the video. First off, I'm gonna put the link on for this website on the description below. So you go in and you just press on the link, and you will come to this page. So when you come to this page, press on Install Now app. So you press on it, press Install, and then you can close out. And yeah, so just wait for the download. I will see you guys when the download is finished. So as you guys can see here, I have the app downloaded. It's called Ignition. So when you press on it, you'll get first this warning sign. Just press here and then go to your settings, and then from down here go to profile, and then yeah, one of them are the Ignition app. So press on trust, and there you go. Now you can go back to Ignition, and the app will open up. So yeah, as you guys can see here, you got the app, and you can download everything here, like for instance and yeah, you will get this pop-up too. So you can download emulators, as you guys can see here, all these emulators you can download. And yeah, you can do jailbreaks too. So yeah guys, this is the tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, then please leave a like and subscribe, and peace.